Concrete is the single most widely used material of construction for reasons relating to strength, versatility, and economy, allowing engineers to build the most challenging structures. However, there are many challenges to concrete's durability, especially the challenge of corrosion on embedded steel reinforcement. Oddly enough, concrete by its nature protects steel. Its high alkalinity creates a passive layer that blocks the reaction of steel with oxygen and moisture and prevents rust. So why are we concerned? The concern is with the stability of this passive layer. In marine and aggressive high chloride soil conditions, chlorides migrate over time through concrete pores, building up at the surface of the steel to reach what is known as the critical chloride threshold, at which the passive layer breaks down. Once that breaks down, corrosion is initiated, and the corrosion product starts forming on anodic locations of the corrosion electrochemical reaction. Corrosion continues to propagate as complexes of oxides and hydroxides are formed. These compounds have a higher volume than that of the original steel, expanding it several times in volume and creating substantial internal stress. While concrete has phenomenal performance under compression, it is very weak under tension. So these stresses induce cracks that allow further ingress of corrosive elements and accelerate deterioration. The corrosion product pushes the concrete cover and delaminates it, leading to concrete spalling and ultimately structural failures. Cortec Corporation has developed an effective solution with migrating corrosion inhibitors. MCI 2005 is a USDA-certified bio-based amine carboxylate admixture that meets ASTM C1582 requirements. MCI is added to concrete mixes at the batching plant, where it is dosed at very low rates. The concrete that is poured on site is saturated with MCI molecules ready for action. MCI molecules are attracted to the steel surfaces, to which they migrate to form a monomolecular layer that fully encapsulates and protects all steel surfaces. The molecules are dipoles that are effective at suppressing both cathodic and anodic components of the corrosion cell. MCI molecules lined up at the surface of the steel form a tenacious bond as they are adsorbed to the steel surface. This passive layer is more resilient than the natural passive layer formed on steel by concrete's alkalinity. Besides protecting steel from oxidation in the presence of moisture, it is much more resistant to the buildup of chlorides. MCI raises the chloride threshold more than 3 times that of uninhibited concrete, so much more chlorides are required for corrosion initiation. When corrosion is initiated, the corrosion rate is significantly lower, thus enhancing the durability of concrete structures and extending their surface life. We can compare the surface life of concrete with and without MCI admixtures using surface life prediction tools. Loss of cross-section is plotted against time. As chlorides build up and reach the chloride threshold, the corrosion reaction starts reducing cross-section, leading to cracking of the concrete. The MCI mix does not allow corrosion to initiate until the chlorides are more than triple the amount in the control. MCI has been used in some of the world's most prestigious structures and is an excellent, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly approach to enhancing concrete durability and extending its service life.